How do you actually plan your first off-grid solar system from scratch, especially if you're a complete beginner and don't want to make expensive mistakes? This is one of the most important steps in your entire off-grid journey, because a well-planned system will save you money, stress, and time. In this video, we're going to walk step by step through how to plan your first system so you can build something that actually works. The very first step, and the most important one, is understanding your energy usage. You need to know exactly how much electricity you use daily. This means listing all devices you plan to use, including lights, fridge, laptop, phone chargers, and anything else that will run on your system. Each device has a power rating in watts. You multiply watts by hours used per day to get watt hours, your total daily energy usage. Once you know your daily usage, think about your system type. Are you going fully off-grid or building a hybrid system with grid backup? For a true off-grid system, you need to plan for complete independence, requiring larger battery storage and more solar panels to meet your needs. The next step is to understand your location and sunlight. Your system size depends on the peak sun hours you receive per day. A sunny location might get 6 peak hours, while a cloudy one might only get 3. Fewer sun hours means you need more panels. To estimate panel size, divide daily usage by peak sun hours. If you use 10 kilowatt hours and get 5 sun hours, you need 2 kilowatts. Always add 20 to 30% more capacity to account for system losses, inefficiencies, and those inevitable cloudy days. Next, plan your battery storage. Batteries are critical because they store energy for when the sun is not shining. Decide how many days of backup power you want. Most off-grid systems are designed for at least 2 to 3 days of autonomy. Consider the depth of discharge of your batteries. Depending on the type, the actual capacity you need may be much higher than calculated. The inverter converts DC electricity from panels and batteries into AC electricity. It must handle the peak load of all simultaneous devices. Choose a charge controller to regulate flow to your batteries. For modern systems, an MPPT controller is more efficient than PWM. Plan your layout carefully. Solar panels should face the direction with maximum sunlight, avoiding any shading from trees or buildings. Wiring and safety are critical. Use correct cable sizes to minimize loss, and include fuses, breakers, and proper grounding. Design your system so you can easily add panels or batteries later. This expansion planning prevents replacing major components when you upgrade. Budget for everything, including mounting, wiring, and maintenance. Cutting costs is too much now can lead to higher expenses later. Starting small is a great way for beginners to learn. Use a smaller setup to gain experience before scaling up. Monitoring tools allow you to track energy production and battery levels in real time, helping you identify issues early. Finally, adjust your lifestyle. Off-grid living requires being mindful of energy consumption, especially during periods of low sunlight. Subscribe to Off-Grid Life Tech for more practical videos on solar systems and energy independence. See you in the next one.